Hi, me, mommy. Hi, me. Hi, me, daddy. Hi,
What's your name?
Linda.
No, not Linda. Melinda.
Linda, you take me. You're the pokey girl.
What am I?
You're the poker girl.
What?
You're the pokey girl.
I'm a what?
You're the vacuum girl.
Ah, a vacuum girl. Why? Because I vacuum every day?
Yeah. Vacuum right there.
And how about you?
Linda, you can't vacuum.
Okay, why don't you count? You
One,
have to look over here.
two,
Count properly because see? See? Papi can watch this. Okay, count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9.
No. 6. What is okay? 7.
7.
And then 8. And then 11.
12.
How about 5 little monkeys? Can you sing? Can you say it nicely? Okay, you sing 5 little monkeys.
Driving the mighty monkey.
5 little monkeys bouncing on the bed.
2 monkeys driving
One
the bed.
fell off and bumped his head.
Stop it.
Who called?
The doctor.
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
Monkey jump in the bed.
Laway, bis kanahan yun. Nanali.
Monkey jump in the bed.
Okay, what else? Stop. Okay, you sing happy birthday now.
Happy birthday.
You look over there.
Happy birthday.
How about happy birthday, mommy?
Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday, mom. Mom, you heard me?
I heard you.
You sit down now. You put her.
Give me a kiss. Yeah. Gaga ay. Baby, stop it. Baby, makinig. Okay, I'll turn this off now.
No.
Okay, then you say.
1.
How about itsy bitsy spider?
Big the spider was wearing no more Maggie jump in the bed. No more Maggie jump in the bed.
Ay. Move over here so you can see yourself.
Mommy,
Who is maganda?
Daddy,
No. Maganda is pretty.
you say that.
Is mommy maganda?
You're so crazy. You're so crazy, Mom.
And how about you?
You're so crazy, Mom.
And how about you?
You're so crazy.
No, you.
No, say that there.
Are you maganda?
No.
Are you pangit? Are you pangit? Pangit is ugly.
You're ugly.
No.
You're ugly girl.
Okay, I'll turn this off
No,
now.
no, no. Mommy, you're so ugly. You're so ugly, man.
Baby, don't say that. It's not nice.
You're so ugly.
Okay, I'll turn this off.
No, no, Mom.
Then you say maganda.
Ganda.
How about daddy? Is daddy poogie?
You're pretty, Dad.
Is daddy poogie?
Yeah.
Yummy juice.
Anyone?
Okay, turn this off now.
Yeah. No.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay. No, you stay here. Oh, leave this alone. Sus, kagawa.
Mommy, do the cha-cha.
No, I'll do this.
With the black girl.
Okay, get up here now. Come on now. Okay, I'll turn this off now. Bye. You say bye-bye now.
No.
Then get going.
I want to sit down here.
In here. At my back. At my back. Okay? Yeah, what was that? Baby, did you auto? No, I did not. Okay, let's sing ABCD. How old are you? What is your name? No, you say. Remember when you go to school? Okay. Yeah. No. What is your name?
Linda.
No, not Linda.
Linda.
Melinda. What is your name? Hey? Melinda.
Linda.
Come on, come on. How old are you, Melinda? How old? Can you show me 3? Come on now. Can you show me 3, baby? That's 5. Count your fingers.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah. See? 1, 2, 3. So you're 3 years old, like this. See? 1, 2, 3. So how old are you? Okay, you show me 3. Like this. Let me see your nose. Say bye-bye now. Shalom. Kiss. Kiss, mommy. Oh boy. Melinda! Why did you do that? Okay, bye-bye now. Love you, baby. You love mommy?
Yeah.
I love you so much.
I love you too much.
Over.